Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Evergreen Arts and Crafts, and today I'm going to teach you how can you make this pretty easy little bow. This bow is really easy to make and you can make it in different colors or different style. I have made this with around 4-ply acrylic yarn, and as you can see I've applied the nails. It's just for fun. I am a professional nail biter anyways. Okay, so for this video tutorial, I'm going to use size 4mm crochet hook, and I'm using a acrylic peach colored yarn. You can use whatever color yarn. You can make twin color bow as this. It's depend on your choice. Okay, so now we are going to start. If you don't know the basic crochet stitches, kindly visit my channel and you can learn the basic crochet stitches first. I have added these two little chains at the end. If you wanted to, you can go ahead and remove these, or you can keep it. You can add the pearl chains at the end, or you can apply a little pearls or whatever. And I'm going to transfer these into a clips as well, but I'm going to tell you in my next video how you can transfer these into clips. In this video I'm going to teach you how can you make this bow, and it's super easy to make. So for the starting point, if you don't know the basic, kindly learn the basics first. I'm going to make a magic ring, and this is how you're supposed to make a magic ring. After making a magic ring, I'm going to make a 6 chains. Let me get a little close. I'm going to make 6 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. After making 6 chains, we are going to make 6 triple crochets into the center of the magic ring, which is going to be, you are going to wrap the yarn twice on your hook, insert your hook into the ring, grab your yarn, pull it through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. This is what your triple crochet looks like. It's 1. Now we are going to make 5 more. So it's 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. After making 6 triple crochets, we are going to make the 6 chains again. So my 6 triple crochets are complete, and now we are going to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 chains. After making 6 chains, we are going to make a slip stitch into the center of this magic ring. Insert your hook in, grab the yarn, pull through, and then pull through the loop in your hook like that. And again we are going to repeat the same thing. We are going to make chain 6 again for the next section of the hook. 3, 4, 5, 6, and now we are going to make 6 triple crochets and then chain 6 again. So I'm going to complete my set of 6 triple crochet and a chain 6, and I'm going to get back to you and teach you what you have to do next. So this is how I've completed 6 triple crochet and chain 6, and then we are going to do is make a slip stitch at the center point, and then you're going to chain, and you have to give it a little longer loop than normally, and then cut your yarn and pull your yarn through. So this is how your bow is going to look like. Super easy and fun to make. You can make many and make a cute little hanging out of it. Now you have many different options. You can go ahead and add any kind of a stone or any kind of center thing you like, any stone, any charm or whatever you like in the middle, and you can make a hair clip out of it. So place your stone and then attach the clip at the back, similarly like I've attached this one on the flower base. So you can do this kind of a stuff, or you can add this bow to any kind of a hairband or the elastic band or whatever you like. Or if you don't want it to, let me show you the simple one I have did, which is going to wrap the yarn over. So keep your the center, the magic ring, the short tail at the back. Take your long tail and wrap. Do not keep your hand too tight or too loose. Keep it normal and wrap. And now this is, I think I'm done with this. So I am going to lay my piece down once I am happy with my wrapping, and then I'm going to make 2 knots at the back. So it's 1 and 2. After making the knots, you can go ahead and take your tapestry needle and hide the tails, or you can do the chain style I did, which was just, it's just a random idea. You can keep the tails more longer if you wanted the chains more long in size. So when you start, you're going to keep a longer thread or yarn, and at the end you're going to leave it longer. And then at the end you can add these kind of pearls. If you wanted to, you can add the pearls, then chain it, then add the pearl and chain it. Whatever style you like, there are many different options you can do with these. So I'm going to show you the simple one. You can add the pearls into this string, as many as you wanted to, and add a little bit on the other one. I hope you're getting my point. Anyways, we are going to make the chain. So rotate your work. This is the point you're going to rotate. Now insert your hook to the right side under these loops. Grab any one loop, and then take your loop, pass it through, and start making chains. You can make many chains, or you can make 1 to 2 chains, or whatever you like. As I have kept a little short the yarn, so it's going to be like around 4 chains only. And then again, the next one, we are going to add our hook to the closest point of this. So I think I should go ahead and add the hook into this one loop here, and grab your yarn through and start making chains. So you don't have to sew anything, you don't have to hide any stitches, just keep making chains as long as, or as short as you want. And at the end you can add pearls or whatever you like. So this is the basic structure of the bow, and this is a simple one you can make. Trim down the yarn edges. So this is it. Super easy and cute bows are ready. I hope you have enjoyed today's video tutorial. For more fun videos, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can make it without chain or with chain, or add a stone, or you can do whatever you want to do with the bows. And I am going to try that. I'm going to make a video on the clips and show you that how can you transfer these into cute little clips with different ideas. So thank you so much. Take care, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you make any, don't forget to share. Take care. Bye-bye.